To begin your custom pack adventure, head over to the Blooket website and click on the Create button located in the top menu bar. This will bring you to the Creation Hub, where all your personalized game content will live. Once you're in the Creation Hub, look for the prominent Create Pack button and give it a click. This is where the magic of personalization truly begins, setting you on the path to designing packs that are uniquely yours. The first step is to give your pack a fantastic name that will grab players' attention. Think about a theme or a topic that will make your pack stand out. You can also add a compelling description to give players a hint of what exciting content awaits them inside. Now comes the exciting part, adding your questions. Click on the Add Question button, and you'll see a variety of question types to choose from, such as multiple choice, true or false, and fill in the blanks. Select the type that best suits your content. For each question, carefully type out your prompt, and then provide the answer choices. Make sure to clearly mark the correct answer. This is crucial for ensuring players are learning and being challenged effectively. You can add as many questions as you like to build out a comprehensive pack. To add an extra layer of excitement, you can assign rarity levels to your questions. This means some questions can be more common, while others are rare or even legendary. Creating a sense of discovery for your players. Blooket also offers tools to help you organize and manage these rarity levels. Once you're happy with your questions and their rarities, don't forget to save your progress regularly. When you're ready to share your amazing creation with the world, you can publish your pack and make it available for others to play and enjoy. Remember to always keep your content engaging, educational, and adhere to Blooket's platform guidelines to ensure a positive experience for everyone. Happy creating.